do you have enough lights on?
Yes! I started the video! Hi. Sorry, it's my first video. If you can tell.
You still got football on? You don't have to watch football.
Why not? Why can't I watch football?
You can. I'm just saying.
Dad, I'm in the middle of a video.
Alright. Going to bed. Bye.
Good night. That's my dad. Okay, so I'm bored, so I'm just gonna play music while you listen. I know I'm retarded, but...
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna put your stuff in the hall.
Okay!
Listen to yourself, you're a hot mess. Step the data through your words, breaking the sweat. What's it gonna take to cleanse us? Well, we both know. Yeah, I was out of town last week.
Put it in your room, just in case, okay?
Yes! Okay, so, yeah, my name is Chloe. And that's Trinity. Oh my god. So, I'm gonna play some music or something. Charlie, you my guy. Don't stop. What are you gonna do? No. No, you can't play music on that. Because then it'll stop my video.
Yeah, I know.
I have an idea.
Idea?
Yeah. And his name is Boston, little father, which is the dog I love. Trinity!
What?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Don't click on that. So, I love the song Mockingbird by Eminem. And I love Eminem. He's really hot. And she loves One Direction. They're British. Wherever they're from.
I know sometimes.
Oh, it's my subsidy right now. But hey, what did I go tell you? Straight knuckle soldier. Where's it going that way? It's my little kind of out. You got it? Hey, we all know you're missing mine, and I know you're still dead. I'm gone. I'm trying to give you a life that I never had. I can see you sad, even when you're smile, even when you laugh. I can see it in your eyes. Deep inside, you wanna cry, 'cause you're scared. I ain't there. That is what you when you're no more crying, what them tears. God is here, no more nightmares. We can pull together through it. You know what's a really funny song? It's not funny.
I think it is. I know. The dog song.
That's a retarded song.
I know.
I gotta pee.
Oh my god.
That's scary. I want to see what it sounds like.
Oh my god.
I can't see. Scary. I know what song I'll play. He turned football off?
Yeah.
Stupid. I don't know what to make a video about. Boom.
Okay, you should prank call someone then. Like, yeah.
I'm gonna prank call someone, so yeah, you guys can listen. I think I'm gonna prank call
Oh yeah.
Lene.
No,
Not
Lene.
Lene.
Oh no, she's Louise.
Bob.
Yeah.
Jessica.
Yeah.
Kira. Kira. Shoot. Shoot. I said shoot. What's her number?
I don't know.
What should I say? Be like,
I'm pregnant.
no.
Yeah.
I'll be like, hey. Hey, DFS. Answer. Answer.
Hi, this is Kira.
No. I hate her voice so much. This is gonna be a long video, man.
Yeah.
Who else?
Lene.
I'm gonna call Matt and be like, hey, guess what? I'm bored. And don't curse because I'm on YouTube. I can't find anyone to prank call. He doesn't answer our calls.
Hello?
Matt,
What?
I'm bored.
No?
I'm making a YouTube video and you're on it.
Why am I on?
Because you're talking.
Talking about what?
You're talking to me and I'm making a YouTube video like right now.
Okay, go ahead.
I know it's 7 minutes long.
I'll go watch it. Tomorrow tell me what it is and I'll go watch it, okay?
Okay, but I look retarded.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
I hope BJ watches it. Oh wait, I have to remake that. I hope he doesn't let y'all his friends watch it. I don't want anyone to watch this.
Why? No, you don't.
I also crimped my hair today. Yesterday. Sunday. It's crimpy. It's like curly fries. And my cousin yesterday, yeah, he's a boy. He was wearing a knit hat with a bow on it. He was holding it for someone.
Interesting.
I'm trying to find someone to call.
Lene.
No.
Why not?
She don't like me. And I don't like her. That's me.
Yeah,
No, but
yeah.
her house though. Ow. Let's go Trinity.
What?
Let's
I'm
try
right
Zach
here.
again. I don't know which Zach is Zach. I'll just try this Zach. Because I need to talk to someone. Because this is boring.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, I have a prank before. Do you want to see a cat? Because my dog's not here. I love her. Her name's Shadow. The cat. I need a cat. Okay, wait. I'll be right back. I need a cat. Oh. Kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty, kitty. Kitty, kitty, cat. Get over here. Be right back. I need a cat. There's a cat up here.
Yeah, that would be why.
What kind of cat?
Okay, point it.
Darth now. See? This is Darth. Okay, you wanna go? He's leaving. Oh, ow! That was Darth. Cats don't like me.
What's about? Look at the man. Scary.
I don't know what else to do. It's my first YouTube video.
I don't know.
Oh, my wrist cracked.
Ew, don't do it. I hate that.
Yeah.
Scary. Look at the man with the mustache.
There's a man with a mustache on TV.
No beard.
And now he's a Viking.
And he has a mole.
And now he's like a gangster. I could do that with my finger.
I could do this.
I can't do that. Like. Yeah, so